Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Lance. Lance writes from New Bedford, Massachusetts. And Lance writes, Gerald, I'm a real estate professional. Do you have any year-end real estate tips for me? Well, Lance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 tips for reducing your tax burden for this year as a real estate professional. And the first one is to pay more of your business-related expenses before the end of this year. And the second is to defer some or more of your income until January of next year. And those 2 things will reduce your tax burden by reducing your overall taxable income. But stay tuned, because next week, which will be my last installment of 2016, I'm going to reveal another year-end real estate tip. Thanks for your question, Lance. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.